Dear Ukrainians worldwide, the power of Ukrainians is in our unique national unity that has no borders, a unity that makes each Ukrainian, regardless of location, feel compassion and desire to help. The difference between the aggressor and us is that Ukrainians care and are not afraid to act or risk, because we know what we are fighting for and what is at stake. The international community reacts to Russian aggression now because you did ignite the fire of change and support in the countries you are living in. You were the first to go to the buildings of national governments and embassies abroad to protest. In Ukraine, we enormously appreciate the efforts you apply to collect necessary provisions for our heroes, the armed forces of Ukraine, and civilians. You all, our dear Ukrainians worldwide, are the reinforcement that is always with us, the battalion devoted troops from everywhere in the world. You are our heroes too. Dear Ukrainians who were forced to leave our country, don't think you can't act. You are part of a big Ukrainian ocean. Now it has happened that each of us is a warrior on the military, prayer, volunteer, and media fronts. We are united. Bishop Boris Wodzak says, be where you are, support each other, collect aid for the army and Ukraine, gather for peaceful protests, speak to the media, and tell the truth. Today, we are receiving the first messages from Western partners of their readiness to consider options for a special EU accession procedure for Ukraine. For centuries, Ukraine has been demonstrating its commitment to European and democratic values. Let's unite all our efforts to make the issue of Ukraine's accession to the EU and NATO an agenda for all countries involved as soon as possible. Keep pushing national governments worldwide. Give a call to your representatives in parliaments to encourage them to act. We are looking forward to celebrating our joint victory and defeat of the enemy together. Everything will be Ukraine. Glory to Ukraine. Glory to its heroes. Slava Ukraini! Героям слава!